Yo, what do we have here today? Another Type R. It's gonna be nasty. Dude, that thing is clean though. And he tracks this thing? Yo, we about to get track tested, my boys. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Ubante Garage. Thank you guys for checking back in. But today we have another CTR FK8 in the house. We're doing a full rear diffuser, front splitter, and side skirt extensions, but I'm only doing the rear diffuser. The owner's gonna be helping me out doing the front splitter install and the side skirt extensions. Well, he's honestly gonna be doing the installs himself. I'm just gonna be assisting when he needs me until I'm done with the full rear. But luckily, since I've already done the rear diffuser, we have the template right here for it, and we have the full center pre-prepped, and all I gotta do is design these side fins with him, and then we'll cut them out, clean it up, mount everything, and we'll be done. So that's looking really good. I'm super hyped. This is the first time I've successfully, well, we don't even know if it's successful yet, but first time I was able to pre-prep a rear diffuser for such a dope car. So we'll see how that turns out. I got the mounts up to support the center already installed, and let's go put on this center rear diffuser. Let's get it. Actually, before we put everything on the car, let's go check it out. Let's get to work. Yeah, if you want to like stand on this side so you can draw everything out. What if we rounded it? You know what I'm saying? Round's pretty nasty, but we could also follow this line down like this. This is definitely the hardest part. Yeah, sides to match everything. It's gonna have a foot up top. Let's do it, man. Cool. Hell yeah. It's gonna look crazy though. And then at the end we got to design those sides to match everything. Hell yeah. Alright. Good? Alright, so we got our design. I'm gonna go cut all the fins out, replace some panels I messed up because it was too early in the morning, and finish up the center portion of this rear diffuser. Alright, I haven't picked up the camera for about 2 hours, but here we are. We got the center mounted. Everything's pretty much riveted together, and all we gotta do is the sides now. Alright, we're gonna take a break from the rear, and we're gonna go work on the front right now. We're mounting up the splitter I made a little bit ago. Super easy install. Remove this plastic garnish that's connected to the lip, and then you just install everything through the holes. so we are done mounting everything to the front bumper. We got the splitter on, everything worked out. We adjusted a few parts, just this really, and added a hardware here. We got 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12 hardwares, 10 of which are OEM areas. So we really just added one extra hole, which wasn't even into the lip. It was into this plastic cowl, which goes on the underbody. And we changed up the designs for the rods. I was able to use lock nuts instead, so modified the rods so that'll never come loose. That was an issue going on sometimes, but that issue is now gone. So that's what we did. Check it out before it goes onto the car. That stuff is insane. Look how fat that stuff is. Super dope. Really happy with the design. Everything went on. We're gonna throw it on, then adjust the lengths of the rods, and everything will look good. It's sitting on top of stuff, so don't trip if it's kinked. More than likely because there's this tape right here. There we go. And that stuff looks good. All right, one last look. And let's throw it on the car. Well, he's gonna throw it on the car. I'll just help him out. All right, just a little teaser of the final result. Check it out. Yo, super nasty, but let's go work on the rear diffuser. We've been sitting on it for a little bit, but we just gotta do the sides, which I have prepped right here. We're gonna go mount them up right over here. And if everything lines up perfect, we're good to go. All right, we got the full rear complete. Now we're just gonna go finalize all the mounting points on the chassis itself so that they're nice and strong. Mount this up, finish up the side skirt extension, and this FK8 is done. Let's hop to the side skirts. All right, so we finished the front splitter. We secured the rods. Now we are finalizing everything with the side skirt extensions. All right, guys, the sides are on. Now we're gonna go get you a quick video, well, cinematic thing. Let's do it. You're like this much. You had this much space. Yo. All right, guys, that's the end of the video and the build. We did the rear diffuser, side skirt extension, front splitter with the end fins. Everything came out nasty. This is the FK8 version 2, full rear version 2, number 2. Super sick. Can't believe it turned out so sick. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thank you guys for checking in. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.